My daughter, as a wife, never join your husband to fight his family, because his family will forgive him, but they will never forgive you. A woman must use wisdom in her husband's house, because tomorrow his people will forgive him. When there is trouble in his family, step aside. Fold your lips like groundnut in its shell. Let them fight, let them reconcile. Blood is blood. But you, they will carry that grudge against you till the sun falls from the sky. Don't put yourself in that trap.
Instead, when there is quarrel, step aside. Keep your hands clean.
Let them sort their family matters. That is how you will keep your respect and your peace.
Mama, I didn't think of it that way. That is why you need me. I have eaten more salt than you have eaten rice. I have lived, I have seen, and I have learned. If you listen, you will not fall into the same fire I have walked through.